a good one. So you do want to come out, we got a lease on you. Oh, don't hide from me. It's okay. We're going to get you. We look free. That's exciting. Here he comes. Music is.
Absolutely. He's out and about. It's been so hot, we haven't been out for a while, so we're back to it. Have a good one. You crazy cat. Back gonna head home now, make it a short walk today, huh? Oh yeah, you don't like that. Let's go. I know it's not your favorite. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're getting away from the band. I know. You hate it. I know you hate it. No live band for you, huh? I'm with you, pal. I'm with you. Oh yeah, but mostly this. The cat. Mostly. I mean, it gets everything, but I'll have it framed in on him most of the time. What's that? No. Just put it on YouTube sometimes. He seems pretty calm today. He's pretty chill. Let me move this up so I hit nobody in the head. We used to come out all the time, but it got hot and it's been a while, but here we are. Now we found him as like a day-old baby, bottle fed him. He's like 2.5 years old now, so yeah, we started he rides on a bike sometimes. Like we go down to Flagler, I ride back and forth with him on a basket. Sometimes this one, we got a different one.
Is he aggressive?
Oh yeah, he's not aggressive at all. I mean, he bites us, but that's in play. He wrestles with us like we're cats. So.
Good enough to try to